How to open zip files in Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can open up the zip files on Windows 10. So without any delay, let's just get started with the video and find out how to do that. So if you want to open up your zip files on Windows 10, it is super easy. All you need to do is head over to your file manager and locate up the zip file that you want to open up. For example, I have this files on my screen, and this one is our zip file. So all you need to do is right click on the zip file that you want to open up, and you gotta just change the location of your zip file. So head over to this menu and go to this extract files option. After that, you need to choose up a location where you want to extract it and move it from the zip file to. All you need to do is select up the location from this section right here from this menu. After that, click on OK, and when you do, you'll be finding your zip file being opened up on your computer right here. So that is how you basically do it and send up your zip file into a normal one. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.